Self-recreation. Description. This black spell is used to recreate your own dark powers. This spell is to be used in case that you are feeling weak or you have used most or all of your energy. Accessories, tools. A Baphomet black or a printed one. 2 black or dark colored candles. 5 small candles to be placed at the Baphomet edges. A goblet with water. A dagger. Incense sticks. Instructions. Place the plaque in front of you and place the 2 black candles behind the plaque and light them up. Now light all 5 candles and place them on the Baphomet. Now light the incense and sit down in front of the Baphomet in the lotus position and close your eyes for 30 seconds. While you close your eyes, say, I summon my energy and cleanse my body, for I am a god. After 30 seconds, open your eyes and hold the dagger in your left hand and the goblet in your right hand. Close your eyes again. Now slowly drink half of the content from the goblet. Say, I summon my energy from the elements of the earth. I summon them to return to me. Hold the dagger upwards and drink the second half of the goblet. Now place both of them down and slowly lay down on the floor or any other place you are in, and go to sleep. When you will awake, your body will be regenerated. Notes: place the candles on a burn-proof place, or use special candles, or place the candles in a glass so, if it will burn out alone, it will not light anything up by mistake. Hail Satan! Hail thyself! Blessed be!